Good morning. Welcome to Poem on the Run. Yeah. I never used to like the rain. I just thought it got in the way. I was a street performer then, you see, and one drip could ruin the whole day. But now I find it quite a relaxing experience, watching it fall upon the ground, and the freshness of its smell, and the pitter-patter sound. And when it stops, the bird song that launches on the fields of green, and the re-emergence of wildlife tiptoeing timidly from the hedgerow screen. And it rained cats and dogs this morning, which was something quite unusual, because as I departed from my front door, I went and stepped in a poodle. Have a lovely day.